Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and today we're going to unbox our paper pumpkin. Look at how cute that box is. This one is the October subscription called HoHoHo, and let's go ahead and see what's in here. So I subscribe to Paper Pumpkin, and if you would like to, you can get some information here at jeanpersani.stampinup.net and look into the next month's subscription. It is totally cool. So every one comes with a little Stampin' Spot. This color is Early Espresso. So I'm going to go ahead and set that off to the side. This one is the stamp sets that come with it. Let me see if I have a white piece of paper somewhere. Here we go. So you can see the stamps. This one says, Santa Claus is coming to town. Holly jolly, deliver to. There's a cute little Santa. And there he is with his reindeer on his sleigh. It says, Merry HoHoHo, 'tis the season to be jolly, Christmas and holiday. So I just think that is super cute. We also have some snowflakes and some stars there. So you always get a little stamp set in there. And then this month it's telling us we can also add on some sacks there to make some great little cards. This is coming, the upcoming Paper Pumpkin. So next month is going to be called From the North Pole. So I'm assuming it's going to look something like this. And then you can add on the sacks. It is going to be cute. There it is. That's what the next one will look like, I believe. From the North Pole. So if you wanted to get one for yourself, check. I have the link in my description. And then they always wrap it so nicely, so you're getting like this little gift. And here it is. Let's go ahead and get out our paper snips. What did I do with those? Here they are. And okay, so the paper pumpkin, it comes with all the supplies you need. The only thing I ever suggest having is a pair of paper snips. That way you can open things, and sometimes it comes with some rolls of twine that you need to cut. So I like to have the paper snips on hand. And it comes with instructions. This is the 3 different cards that we could make. How cute are they? Oh my goodness. So we've got the instructions to make all 3 cards. And this is everything that it comes with. Let's go ahead and look. You can make 9 cards. And then, of course, there's always extra little supplies, so you can always make more, right? So let's see. We've got some snowflakes here. And these little guys, they just pop out. So you just take them, pop them out, and you've got your snowflake. And let's see what we have next. Okay, we've got some little die cuts here, already cut out. That'll be used on one of the cards, actually 3 of the cards. And then we always make alternatives on my YouTube channel. And so you can flip this over, use a white background, so many different ways. You don't have to follow the instructions if you like to go off and craft on your own. So we do that. Here we've got some HoHoHo cutouts and some Mary cutouts. Same thing, you're just going to pop those little guys out and you'll have that HoHoHo. And of course you can always cut them and have them separated. So many different ways to make alternative cards. They always give you the adhesive. These are mini glue dots. Another thing I always like to have on hand is one of these Stampin' Seals, just in case you don't want to use mini glue dots all the time. You just throw it on and it's so much easier than using those mini glue dots, but sometimes you just need to. All right, here we go. We've got 3 of these, and in these, you're going to be getting some flags here. And then there's some other strips. We've got a couple squares, a couple Santas, and then the letters for J-O-Y for joy. Now, I must tell you, unfortunately, if you did not get this one, you don't get to get it now. It is a surprise, and you always sign up for the next month. You have to sign up before the 10th of the month to get the next month's. And then if you need to cancel or pause your subscription, you do the same before the 10th of each month. So these are the card bases. We've got one set of cards here. We've got some more intricate die cuts here. So pretty. Again, you can use the white side. You can color them with some blender brushes. I've got all my little blender brushes right here in case we need to color them all different colors. So there we go. I cannot wait to do this one live and put them together with you guys. So check out my YouTube channel if you haven't already. I have that link in my as well. Unless you're watching on YouTube, then you can check out how I unbox this live on TikTok. All right, so we've got some more bases here. What else do we have? We've got some green strips, and we've got some little white strips where we will most likely put our greetings on there. We also have some vellum, and let me see here. This one is the vellum that goes around the HoHoHo. So it's a nice little background to top. We're going to put that HoHoHo right on top, is what I'm assuming. I haven't looked at the directions, so I don't know. Here is some nice little, looks like falling snow. Another piece of the card. Oh, here we go. This will be flipped over, so you can always look. And there we're going to end up stamping that Santa right across the top to get this great little card here. And then that HoHoHo, that vellum, I'm assuming goes behind it. And then there's the base of that card. It's going to be the J-O-Y card. And look, you can use this as the front. You can use this as the front. Whatever you would like. And that is going to make that card there. And then this is the fun part. We've got, this isn't the fun part, but these are Stampin' Dimensionals. This raises, it's got a little, it's just a little bit of foam, and that raises up different things that you're going to be putting onto your card. Like this little Santa is probably raised, as is the J and the Y lettering. These are some little pearls, some like little enamel dots. And then this is what's so fun. You get matching envelopes. Look at these cute envelopes. Aren't they adorable? And guess what? If you have your own white envelopes, you could turn these little guys into cards as well. So that sometimes happens. Like, tell me this wouldn't make a great piece of paper for a card. So if you want to see me doing this live, I do this at 4 p.m. on the last Monday of each month on my YouTube channel, Beauty and the Stamper. I hope to see you guys there. That will be October 31st, and we should get that done early enough to be out trick-or-treating or shutting off all your lights, depending on what you do. So, all right, beauties, I hope you have a wonderful day. Again, if you are interested in getting this, go ahead and visit jeanversani.stampinup.net, and you'll have all your information. All right, thank you so much for joining me, and have a wonderful day. Bye!